So let's go ahead and start a demo of creating a calendar with FullCalendar, and today we're going to do that by making use of the pre-built recipe that's available. So you can see here we've got a site here that's built using Drupal 11. We've got a couple of small things. We've got the GenAdmin theme here. We've got a couple of other sort of interface things. But if we look at the content structure, it really just has sort of article and basic page. So it really is, from a content architecture standpoint, a bare install of Drupal 11. So let's go ahead here and install the events calendar recipe. And then with that single step, now if we go ahead and refresh our page, now when we go up here, we can see we have the ability to create an event. We've got our add to calendar links, but also if we go to our events view, you can see we also have this calendar view that now is based on FullCalendar. So we have the ability to drag and drop to reschedule. Notice that it's using toast style notifications. And if we go within a day, we can reschedule the event time. We can also drag and drop to change the duration, so to resize it. And then we also can do things like drag and drop into the all day tray to be able to make it all day. And then also if we go into the week view, we can do things like reschedule how many days it's going to take part, or we can reschedule within a date and sort of do both in terms of either changing the span of all day events or for in-day events as well. So a lot of flexibility. The other thing we can do here is we can also double click on a particular date and time to say another date. And let's go ahead and save that. Now when I go back in here, we can see that it's created the alternate date. And let's go back in here at exactly when we had double clicked in there. So lots of interactive features out of the box that you can sort of quickly make use of in your own site, particularly if you're just building out your event system for the first time. All right, we've built out our demo site a little more. So not only do we have the ability to now have recurring events built into our event system, and more on that in a later demo, but we also have events that are a different type. So in this case, we've got a core date range field that is being used for a completely different type. So notice that in FullCalendar, we can have not only different content types, but different content types that use completely different kinds of storage for how they store dates. And then we're actually color coding our events based on not only what content type are they, but also how they've been classified. So here we've got retrospectives in kind of this magenta color. We've got statutory holidays in this kind of a gray color. But we can also still go through, even though we've got different content types, and drag and drop to reschedule. Or we can do things like reschedule to make something all day. And so if we go back to the day view, we can see here that that's all day. And that's just a sort of simple overview of some of the different capabilities that are available today within the FullCalendar module. Definitely hope that if there are additional ways that we can make this of more value to you and the Drupal site you manage, that you'll open an issue and let us know.